Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to make quiz videos on Canva for YouTube. So for this, I am here on canva.com. Firstly, we need to click on videos here. Click on it. So as you click, now click on create blank. A new tab will open. Now here you can create a quiz video according to your preferences and color elements. So for an example, if I search for quiz here, so you will get different templates and you can choose from there. So let's say we want to make our quiz video from scratch. First of all, I add the background color as mustard. Then go to elements and here we need to search for rectangle. Simply type rectangle and press enter. Then you need to go to graphics and from here you can choose the rectangle which suits most. You can go with this one here or let's find another. Okay, so here we will go with this one here and also you can change the color of this rectangle here. So click on colors and we will change it to black here. Okay, so now the color is changed. Next we have to search for a circle. Again go to elements and search for circle here. Again go to graphics and here you need to choose a circle. So we will go with this one here and it will be white. Adjust the position and place it right there. Then select all of this and place it here. Then we need to duplicate this as we have four options of quiz here. So we will duplicate it for 4 times, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now let's place them. First option, second option, now this is the third one. Now place the circles with them too. Okay, so these options are done. Now we need to add a question here. So for this we will go to text here and then go to add a heading. So here you can add any question for your quiz. So I will go with name the most popular country or name the top 10 popular countries in the world. After adding text, you can change the font of the text here. So I change it to scripter. Then resize the text and adjust the position. Place it on the top like this. Now you can change the color of the text here. So we will change it to white. Now to enhance more, we will go to effects and here you will find different text effects. So here I will go with this outline one, which is the sixth one here, and then increase the thickness. Now it looks perfect. Now the next step is we need to add four options here. So for that we will go to add a heading and here we will add option. The first one is China and then go to fonts. Change the font and then adjust the position and repeat the same process for the next three options too. Let me do it in fast forward. After that, there you will find this pop option in between effects and position. Click on it. As you click, so there you will find different animation style. So you can choose the one which suits most. So I will go with this one here. So once you are done with the first slide, then you need to add a new slide where you will add the correct answer. So I add a new slide here. Go to text and click on add a heading and here type correct answer. Now again you need to change the text of the font and then change the color of the font here. Again we will go with white and go to effects and here we will change to outline and change its thickness. Adjust the size and place it on the top like this. Now we need to go to elements and search for rectangle again and here we will choose a large rectangle where we will type our correct answer. So here we can go with this mint green one. Just adjust the position and resize it like this. Now go to text in the left side and go to add a heading. Here you need to type a correct answer. Again go to fonts and change it font. Once you change the font, then you can adjust the text in the square like this, resize it and place it in the middle, and your first slide, like your first quiz, is ready. In the same way, we will add animation to this slide too. So click on pop, and here you can choose the slide which suits most. So by repeating the same step, you can add multiple questions in this video, and then you can post it on YouTube. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.